Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best battery-powered gas transfer pump available on the market, the Jecatiy Portable Power Battery Pump. This versatile and highly efficient pump is designed to make transferring gasoline, diesel, water, and other light liquids quick and hassle-free, especially when you're on the go or don't have access to a power source. Right off the bat, what sets this pump apart is its battery-operated design, making it perfect for outdoor activities, emergencies, or any situation where a traditional power supply isn't available. It delivers a powerful flow rate of 2.4 gallons per minute, so you can transfer fuel or water efficiently without spending too much time. One of the standout features is the controlled flow nozzle. This nozzle allows you to easily adjust the flow rate to match your needs, whether you want a fast transfer or a steady, precise flow. You can even lock the valve in place for a continuous liquid flow, and the nozzle is designed to prevent leaks, making it ideal for careful fueling and pumping operations. The Jecatiy pump includes a 35.4-inch extra-long discharge hose, which is longer than most competitors' hoses, giving you more flexibility in reaching your containers or tanks. The suction tube itself is 16 inches long, fitting perfectly with common 3 to 5 gallon gas cans, jerry cans, or pail buckets. Plus, the pump uses an impeller to boost suction power, ensuring efficient and smooth liquid transfer. Another key advantage is its versatility. It's suitable for transferring not just gasoline, but also diesel, kerosene, light oil, and water. However, it's important to note that corrosive liquids should not be transferred with this pump. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate anywhere, whether you're a DIY mechanic, outdoor enthusiast, or just need a reliable siphon pump for occasional use. From a build perspective, the pump features durable plastic construction with threaded inlet and outlet connections for a secure fit. It meets various safety specifications such as CSA, ISO, and UL, ensuring that it adheres to recognized safety standards. Weighing just over a pound and packaged in compact dimensions, it's an easy addition to your toolkit or emergency gear. One set of batteries can power the pump to transfer over 1,000 gallons of liquid, providing long-lasting performance before needing a replacement. In summary, the Jecatiy Portable Power Battery Pump is an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient battery-powered siphon pump. Its powerful suction, adjustable flow control, long hose, and versatility make it an essential tool for fuel and water transfer on the move. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.